right, cutting across to Jammu and Kashmir, some dramatic visuals we saw today of Omar Abdullah climbing his own wall, quite literally. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah was seen scaling the gates of his own home, breaking past barricades and marching to a graveyard under heavy police presence because he wasn't allowed to leave through the front door. Yeah. Omar Abdullah was under house arrest. He was placed under house arrest by Lieutenant Governor's administration to stop him from visiting the graveyard on Martyrs' Day, July 13th, a date that continues to stir political nerves in the valley. But that didn't stop him. He jumped the wall, walked with his ministers, paid floral tributes, calling the restrictions tyranny of the unelected. A quick note, Martyrs' Day marks the killing of 22 Kashmiris in 1931, shot by the Dogra army outside Srinagar Central Jail, a moment many in Kashmir equate with the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. But the symbolism of this day remains deeply polarizing. Back in 2020, LG's office struck July 13th off the official holiday calendar. And since then, it's been a flashpoint, yearly flashpoint. BJP leader Tarun Chugh has lashed out at Omar Abdullah, calling it an insult to India's freedom struggle. In fact, he alleges that 1931 protest wasn't about freedom, but was communal violence, and also slammed Omar Abdullah and his party for sidelining the actual suffering of Kashmiri Pandits. In Kashmir, we're looking at this memory here becoming a battleground, a flashpoint year after year, where in Kashmir they believe that day was a dark day, but the Lieutenant Governor and the opposition BJP at this point believes that this was just polarizing tactics. The actual struggles were of Kashmiri Pandits, which has been ignored.
उनके वाज़िया हिदायत के मुताबिक हमें कल यहाँ आके फातिहा पढ़ने की इजाज़त नहीं दी गई। सबको सुबह सवेरे ही अपने घरों में बंद रखा गया। यहाँ तक कि जब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता गेटें खुलना शुरू हुई और मैंने कंट्रोल रूम को बताया कि मैं यहाँ आना चाहता हूँ फातिहा पढ़ने के लिए, मिनटों के अंदर अंदर मेरे गेट के बाहर बंकर लगा और रात के 12-1 बजे तक उसको हटाया नहीं गया।